Good evening, guys. Welcome to the new mini talk show Snack Bites with Varun Gokhale. So, guys, today here we are with a new beginning to our mini talk show, which is Snack Bites with Varun Gokhale. So, in this talk show, we would be showcasing some emerging talents that have boomed through the social media or have earned a place in something of a different category apart from the rest talents. So, today, we'll be showcasing some talents which are my personal favorites. So let us start with the first, which is poetry writing and poetry recitation by Mrs. Gayatri Vishwanath Palle.
नमस्कार, मैं गायत्री विश्वनाथ पल्लेत आज आपको एक कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। कविता का शीर्षक है उड़ान। उड़ान। अब तो परियों के पंख लगा के उड़ने हैं, सपनों की सैर करने, आंखों में ख्वाब रखने हैं। अब तो परियों के पंख लगा के उड़ने हैं, सपनों की सैर करने, आंखों में ख्वाब रखने हैं। फिर भी कदम जमीन पर रख के सादगी से जो चलता है, मिट्टी से जुड़ा जो रहता है, उसी की खुशबू आसमान तक पहुंचती है। मुझे उस सादगी में ढलने दो, मुझे उस सादगी में ढलने दो, उस खुशबू का नशा आसमान तक चढ़ने दो, उस खुशबू का नशा आसमान तक चढ़ने दो। नमस्कार। मी पाहिला प्राजक्त फुलताना, मी पाहिला प्राजक्त फुलताना, हळूच गाली हसताना, हिरव्यागार झोकाळ्यावरून खाली पडताना, सुगंधित मातीच्या कवेत शिरताना, तिच्या सोबत स्वतःचे स्वत्व जगताना, मी पाहिला प्राजक्त फुलताना, हिरव्यागार झोकाळ्यावरून खाली पडताना.
These are the two videos which I asked her to share with me. I have 2 to 3 more people whose talents I would like to showcase on my channel. One which is Shubham Nanche. So he recently developed the hobby to draw portraits, and I would like to show you some of his. So here you go. So this is Shubham Nanche's Instagram profile. You can DM him for any personal portraits if you require. So these are some of his best portraits that we have here. This is the recent one which he drew. Then we have something even more interesting. We have something like this which he painted on a wall. Then we have some similar portraits which he had drawn using real life photos or the photos that we captured. So these are some of the examples of those, and it looks realistic. So this is basically what is his hobby during the lockdown. So this is something which is really great, and he's doing a very good job currently by making such good real life portraits. So hats off. And anyone, if you wish to like get any of your portraits done, then you can surely ask Shubham to make one for you. You can DM him your requests on his Insta handle, which is Nanche Shubham. So on Nanche Shubham, you can message, you can connect, and you can also DM him a request if you wish to have a portrait of yours made, or you wish to give a portrait to someone on his birthday or his anniversary or whatever might be the occasion. So DM Nanche Shubham anytime. Next talent that we have is basically something which is multidisciplinary. So here is a old school friend of mine whose name is Ramya Rajkumar. She does a lot of things, right from cooking to like knitting and art and craft. So she has a lot of versatility in her skills, along with mehendi designing and mandala making and a lot other stuff. So why don't I directly show you the profile? So here is Ramya Rajkumar's profile. The name of the profile is Coded with Passion. So she has her own YouTube page. So you can visit this YouTube page anytime if you wish to try out any of her hobbies or any of her things that she has done. So this is like she has made some mandala arts beautifully. Like you see the Buddha art, then you see this um, the skull, which is a dot drawing or something like that. Then you have something. Then you have a cake which she had homemade, and she had put a video on how to make that cake. She has mehndi designing videos also. She features all these earring makings, some wool knitting and knitting, making keychains, making purses, making bags, and making jewelry. So everything that is related to art and craft is what she does. And if anyone wish to do something like this, you can contact her or you can DM her anytime. Coded with Passion is her Insta handle. So if anyone wishes to watch her videos also, you can watch it on YouTube. Links will be at the end of the video. Links for our YouTube channel will be at the end of my video. And this is something people are doing during the lockdown. I also wish to show you guys another Instagram page, which is from one of my college seniors. So she makes these beautiful mandala based arts and small painting videos, which you can try at home and which are easy to do. Her name is Sakshi Suryavanshi. So Colors of My Mind. I'll also give a button of her YouTube channel or a link of her YouTube channel at the end of this video. So please do watch the video till the end. So here you have Sakshi Suryavanshi, who has done some mandala art and some different way of artwork during her quarantine. As you can see, here is a mother and child which she made on Mother's Day. So this is something different and unique, which I found out today. This is the Kathakali face, which you see in Kerala. She has made some awesome designs during her during the lockdown period. And also I would like to show you the previous ones. You have this elephant drawing, which is very beautiful in itself. Some abstract art also. Then she has some t-shirt paintings also, which she had done earlier, the mandala art. So anyone, if you wish to try some of these, you can try it at your place anytime you want. And if you wish to know, then please DM her on how to get started during this lockdown. This is some painting which I like the most, the guitar one, and now the portrait of Virat Kohli, as you see, the painting which he had done using watercolors. So it's just amazing to see such great drawings by her and such great paintings. This is one which has fascinated a lot of girls around the area, which is Main Apni Favorite, who always looking into the mirror. So if you want to do something crazy and fun like this during the lockdown, then you can follow her Insta handle, Colors of My Mind 18. And her name is Sakshi Suryavanshi, and I'll give you the link of her YouTube channel at the end of the video. So these were some of the talents or hobbies that people were doing during this lockdown. So please drop down in the comments below if you have done something different during this lockdown, so that you get featured in our next video of Snack Bites with Varun. So till then, it's Varun Gokhale signing off. And there is a big update that tomorrow we'll be hosting a Saturday Games Night on behalf of Subhashish Vidya. So Saturday Games Night, we would be having a dumb charades game. So anyone who is interested can register using the link given in the description of the video. Please do register, and we'll meet you tomorrow by 9 p.m. in the night, and we'll all enjoy the Saturday night with a bit of fun and with a lots of movies to enact. So till then, Snack Bites with Varun Gokhale, and it's Varun Gokhale signing off.